Today we're gonna be unboxing an aphmau meemeow. With Daddy.
Hi.
And last time, when I did the part 2 showing my dad, that got like 227 views. So make sure you get this like 1 million views. Dink. Okay, this is really hard to open. Oh my gosh, so hard.
Okay, we don't need to sit in now. Oh, I opened it. That was satisfying.
Okay, let's see. What? No, I'm still making a video. Daddy's here with me. Hear that? Oh my God, sorry.
I just needed to open it.
Okay, there's a silver packaging and a map. But I already got the octopus cap. So let's feel this. And today we're not gonna look inside the holes. Okay. This feels like the turtle one. I don't know. Okay, let's open it. I don't see anything in the holes. Daddy, I got a different one this time. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, the blue one.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Okay, bye everyone. See you in my next channel. Bye.